In this 3-minute tutorial, you will learn how to smooth skin texture, enhance image brightness, and add a professional lipstick. Please note, when using the filters in this tutorial, I adjust the radius value based on the needs of this image. Make sure to adjust the radius value according to the needs of your images to achieve the best results. After creating the mask, carefully brush over the areas you want to adjust. If needed, adjust the size and opacity of the brush to achieve precise and beautiful results. This step is very important, so make sure to do it carefully. Use the pen tool to carefully select the specific area of the lips. Then, press Ctrl+Enter, or Command+Return on Mac, to convert the path into Select Pixels mode. Finally, choose your desired color for the lipstick and apply it to the selected area. In the Ideas Graphics channel, I provide tutorials ranging from beginner to advanced levels on various types of advertising design and photo retouching. Each tutorial is categorized into separate playlists. If you're interested in these tutorials, make sure to subscribe, and I'd love to hear your suggestions, feedback, or requests.